Hello Simp, I'm Jovanie Felamin, 23 years old from Lapu-Lapu City. In this Pechakucha, I would like to share a bit about myself so you can get to know me better. I've been doing web development for almost 4 years, ever since my friend Joshua introduced me to HTML. And currently, I'm a fourth year BSIT student at City Argao campus. What I really enjoy in web development is building unfamiliar systems. It makes me happy, especially when I get to learn a new tech stack and add it to my skills. And collaborating with others is also fun. I've especially enjoyed working with my friends because we can share ideas and help each other out. So, even though I'm not the best student academically, but I'm proud to share that I've been a consistent dean's lister since my freshman year. I also earned an NC2 in creative web design from TESDA just before starting college. And for my personality, I enjoy exercising as a way to relieve stress. I'm also very close to my mother and try to be sweet to her because I appreciate all the love she has for me and my brother. And for my personal growth, I'm eager to grow personally, especially in programming, to prepare for my future. As for my skills, my favorite combinations is React.js with Prisma ORM and Supabase for the data. I also learned Django in school when we worked on a final project for our school system in my second year. And these are my four notable projects. First is our capstone project, which I worked on as part of our academic requirement. And second is the Central Argao, my academic commission. My client for this project was just a fellow student from another section, basically my batchmate in section A while I'm in section B. And this was actually their capstone project, and I helped them out. The third one is the ride rescue. This is also my academic commission, which was my classmate or friend's capstone project. I served as lead developer and technical consultant, and I handled the sign in and sign up and the core parts of the app, and guided them and on the rest since their budget was limited and my time was also tight, as I was managing three capstone projects at the same time. And last one is Shop and Trade, um, a personal project I made just for fun while learning a new framework, Next.js. Um, for our capstone project, CARES platform is a patient management system for Eduardo J. Aboites Cancer Center that digitized healthcare workflows for 100 plus beneficiaries and streamlined coordination between hospital departments and rural health units across the region. And the text used for this project is React.js for the front end, Django for the back end, and PostgreSQL for the data. And we use GWT authentication for the tokens. And my role in this project is that I am only a front end developer and QA for this project, and I assigned other roles to my teammates, and I'm happy about it because I got some time to I got some time to take on some commissions for other groups' capstone system projects. And what problem is being solved in this system? Well, Eduardo J. Aboites Cancer Center or EJAC faces challenges including fragmented patient records, delayed processes, and inefficient workflows. So, to solve this, we made this patient management system to manage paperwork and keep patient records. It increases efficiency through the centralization of patient information for speedy retrieval, lowering the chances of lost or incomplete records. And we also built the admin part where admins manage all the patient's requests and user accounts. Next is Sindro Argao, my second academic commission. And the text used in this project is, I hate to say this, but this project doesn't have a framework since my client made the front end first and I just optimized the UI and implemented the back end and the data. So it's plain PHP, GS with PostgreSQL via Supabase, and I use H2 HTML to PDF for the PDF automation. And what this system solves is that DNR in Argo processes are still paper based. That's why, and also when processing permits, that's why this system was made to make the permit process easier for the DNR workers and for the people who request permits. Users can also report incidents that are connected to DNR and request seedlings. Um, the operation admins are the four admins of the system: wildlife, tree cutting, marine, and seedling, who manage user requests per department. And the super admin is the one who manages the users and admin accounts and can also see the activity logs. Next is the ride rescue. Um, the tech stack used in this app is React Native since this is a mobile app, TypeScript, Expo Go to test our app, and Supabase for the data. And my role in this app is the lead developer and technical consultant. I build the sign in and sign up with OTP code and build the main core of the system, which is posting emergencies, accepting post emergencies, and applying Supabase for the data. So, like if your vehicle needs some repair and you don't know where to find a technician in your current location, you can just open this app and search for nearby shops or vulcanizing services that can repair your vehicle. Or you can just post an emergency and some shop or vulcanizing owners will see it and respond to cater to your emergency. And this is the admin part where admins manage registrations to verify shop or vulcanizing owner, users, and drivers. The last one is the shop and trade. This is my personal project, and the text use is Next.js for the front end and Prisma for the back end, and PostgreSQL or MySQL for the data. And I also use Supabase for the cloud data. And this is my personal project while learning Next.js. Um, for this system, let's just imagine that this system has a shop, and so this shop accepts donation of things that people don't need anymore. Example like t-shirts, shoes, or unused bags, something like that things, and post them in the system, and users can get the item if they meet the requirements. For example, an Adidas t-shirt in exchange for 10,000 plastic bottles. So users just to have to request and fill up some information, and if accepted, They will bring the plastic bottles to the shop and get their reward. And those plastic bottles will be converted into plastic chairs, and those chairs will be donated to schools that need them. That schools that need them. And this is where the admins manage users, inventory, and chair donation post plans. Next is my other hobbies. My hobbies are watching anime if I have free time or if I'm bored. My favorite one is the sea foraging to get some delicious seafood like sea urchins, crabs, and shells. And sometimes I play mobile games whenever my friends invite me to play with them. I also like playing Clash of Clans because you need to plan how to 3-star bases, especially if you're against a +1 town hall in Clan Wars. And why Simp? So I chose Simp because Simp works on real software projects for clients, and I want to gain hands-on experience in web development and learn from a professional team. I also heard from my two friends who did their OGT here last batch that they really worked in real projects and productions, and that experience helped them grow even more. I want to contribute to actual projects while developing my skills and understanding how software is built in a professional setting. So, why hire me? So, I may not know everything yet, but I'm motivated to learn and improve. I already have some experience in web development, and I'm excited to put my skills into practice while learning new ones from real projects. And I'm ready to work hard and make the most out of this OGT. And that's all. Thank you.